Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus 7 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off live caption in your phone Oneplus 7. Suppose if you accidentally turned on live caption, if you would like to turn it off, you can do it. For that, first I show the live caption how it is showing. Just I play a video from YouTube. Go to YouTube and I play this video. And you are seeing live caption here. If you want to turn it off, just go to the notification area and you will see an option, live caption. Just turn it off. Already it is turned on. You may sometimes accidentally turned on live caption, so just turn it off. Make sure that this button is turned off, and now you will not get any live caption. See here. Again I play the same video and I will not get any live caption hereafter. See here. So in this way, you can easily make live caption turned off in your phone OnePlus 7. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.